In Japan, even the smallest inconvenience can become a design problem. A yogurt lid peels back, and the surface should be clean, yet the pale cream clings to the foil. In many places, that is accepted as normal. A spoon is used to scrape, or the lid is thrown away. The moment is small, but Japan often notices such moments first. This is where the spirit of Omotenashi begins. It is not only hospitality in the usual sense. It is the habit of anticipating discomfort before it reaches the user. The question is simple, but precise. Can this be made cleaner, easier, and more considerate? The answer was inspired by a plant. The lotus rises from muddy water, with an appearance of quiet purity. Its leaves seem smooth, but under magnification, they are covered with tiny bumps. Those microstructures trap air and repel water. Droplets beat up, roll away, and carry dirt with them. Nature had already solved a problem that human material science was still learning to understand. Toyo Lotus built on that idea. Using a specially engineered surface on aluminum lids, it reproduces the lotus effect in a packaging material. The result is a lid with a microscopic landscape of peaks and valleys. Yogurt touches it, but does not easily cling. Air remains between the surface and the contents, acting like a cushion. When the lid is opened, it appears nearly untouched. The effect is not dramatic in the way of a machine or a robot. It is quieter than that. The lid can be shaken, turned upside down, carried across distance, and still keep its cleanliness. For the consumer, the experience is almost invisible, which is often the strongest sign of design working well. Yet the value goes beyond neatness. Less product left on lids can mean less food waste. Cleaner lids can support better hygiene and simpler recycling. The safety requirements are also strict, since the material must perform without compromising the food inside. What looks like a small luxury is also a careful combination of physics, materials engineering, and responsibility. This is why Toyo Lotus represents more than a packaging feature. It is an example of Japanese biomimicry, translating a living pattern into an industrial solution. It turns a minor irritation into an example of thoughtfulness made visible. For people outside Japan, the surprise may be the lid itself. For people inside Japan, the surprise is that something so ordinary can be improved with such quiet elegance. Not every yogurt in Japan uses this lid, but the idea behind it remains memorable. A small frustration was noticed, studied, and refined until it disappeared. That is the kind of innovation that does not shout. It simply makes daily life a little better.